Hello children, happy to meet you all through this video. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of attendance and punctuality. Both are very important. After all these exam results, I think you would have personally understood the importance of attendance. Yes, attendance is very important when you are in school or in college or even after you join a job. Only if you are regular to work or to the education institute, you will be successful. See, studying in a school or a college or working somewhere is very simple, but being regular is very important and it will get you a very good name and you will be called reliable person. Because see, if you're taking leave often and people when they are going to assign you some job are expecting something from you, and if they think that you are taking leave often, you will not get that and there will be lot of loss. You will not get promotion or you will not succeed in whatever you are doing. And when you're coming to school, you will learn a lot when you attend school regularly. See, unless you are really sick or something is very important, you can take a leave, but otherwise you have to come to school. See, in school the teacher may be teaching a concept today, so you may think we can learn it tomorrow, but the teacher may say some extra information that particular day which you will not know during even your lifetime when you attend it later. So it is very important to attend on the same day. And when you accumulate your lessons, see, suppose you don't come this day and you have to carry the work to the next day, so your work get accumulated and you will find it difficult to complete the work in time. And if you don't complete it in time, you cannot do a proper work. You have to do a hurry up work. So it is better to attend whatever it is regularly. Come to school regularly and do your work regularly. That will be very easy. See, because you don't have other responsibilities now. Come to school and your education is very important. You have to concentrate on attendance. See, the Israelites, when they were traveling from Egypt to Canaan, they used to get food in the morning and there was a particular time fixed for them to collect the food, and they were supposed to collect a particular amount of food every day. And the people used to take a basket and fill food and come back home, and a particular measure for every family, and they have to collect it on that day for that day alone, and they cannot collect food for the next day. Suppose they fail to go at the right time in the morning, they have to be hungry the whole day because they cannot borrow from others. The one family can collect only certain amount of food. That was the rule. And if suppose they collect more for keeping it for the next day, it will get spoiled. That was the rule. So for that day they have to go and collect whatever they want and they have to utilize it for that day. And that is the rule of attendance. You have to collect whatever you need that day. So please children, see that you attend regularly. See, if you have any trouble, see, suppose you find some difficulty, be a little frank in talking to your parents or to the teacher. Suppose you don't complete your homework due to some reason, you can get an excuse from the teacher or inform your parents, who will in turn inform the school to get an excuse for you. But please don't stay at home and accumulate your work. Attendance is very, very important. Parents, I hope you're also watching me on this video. Please ensure that your child attends school every day. And if the child is having some difficulty in attending school, maybe they are uncomfortable with friends or teachers or something in school, let them express it frankly to you otherwise to the management so that some step is taken to avoid children taking a leave. So attendance is very important and punctuality is equally important. Punctuality is a very good quality which gives you a very good name in your workplace or in school. So you go on time and people will respect you and you will be reliable. Yes, they will think, yes, you can do it on time, you will come on time. So they will be giving you more responsibilities which will get a good name for you. See, sometimes when we talk about famous people, see, suppose politicians or some celebrities, they will say, hey, this person comes to any function on time. See, so this is a good name that will be got to you through punctuality. So punctuality and attendance is very, very important. You have to be very careful in attending classes. You should not miss because the teacher may say something different. See, you may think I can Google up or find from some other thing. Yes, it is very easy, but the teacher is the best resource you can find anywhere. So whatever the teacher says, you can find, you can learn from them. Lot of examples or something. So please attend the classes regularly. Don't take leave. Even the online classes, maybe they are not so active like the regular classes, but online classes are very important because teachers are preparing a lot and teaching for you. Be regular because it's very short time than the regular school. Be regular to the online class. If you have any difficulty, you can convey to the school. It will be rectified. Children, understand the importance of attendance and also punctuality. Expecting you to see you soon after all this. Bye.